Are you writing JAMB in 2025 and you are aiming to score up to 300 plus, but physics is actually your problem? Then worry no more, because in this video today I'll be giving you essential physics topics that if you apply it diligently with your recommended textbooks, your past questions and your syllables, which the extensive syllables, then you are sure of scoring up to 90 to 95 over 100, which accumulation with other subjects like biology, chemistry and English that I have dropped in this video, if you watch those videos and you apply them diligently, then you are sure of scoring up to 300 plus, and in turn you will get admission to study your dream course. My name is Basi Ejogba. I'm a 400 level student in the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science, and in my channel I help students level up their academic game. So if you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in this video today, just like I've said, I'll be talking about essential physics topics. These are the most commonest and JAMB favorite topics. That means for 10 years now, for 15 years, because I've been studying these past questions from 2010, I noticed that these topics are always common, and that is why I'm making this video. So the first topic here is mechanics. So when you talk about mechanics in physics, mechanics is simply the backbone of physics. Understand? It's the building block of physics. So when we talk about mechanics, you have to learn concept or understand concept like Newton's law of motion. Under Newton's laws of motion, you must understand the applications in everyday scenarios. No one thing about physics is that physics loves application. You must be able to apply physics to real life situations. You understand? So physics is all about application. You must also understand projectile motion. That means you must learn the equations of motions and how to analyze trajectories. You get? So you must also learn about work energy and power. You must know the formula for kinetic energy. Know the formula for potential energy and power also. You must also learn about circular motion, that is the centripetal force and the acceleration. The second topic you have to get in acquaintance is heat and thermodynamics. So under the heat and thermodynamics, you must study about heat transfer like conduction, convection and radiation. You must understand the concept of conduction. Understand, knowing that conduction requires a material medium. You must also learn about radiation, which doesn't require a material medium, and also about convection. You must also understand the laws of thermodynamics, focusing on the first law of thermodynamics and their practical application. You must also understand gas law, which are the Boyle's law, the Charles law. You must also learn how to convert between Kelvin to Celsius, Celsius to Kelvin, and also Kelvin to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Kelvin, and stuff like that. So you must be able to convert between these parameters, you understand, between the Kelvin, Celsius and the Fahrenheit scales. The third topic is understanding waves and optics. So when you talk about waves and optics, you must understand the types of waves, which are simply the transverse and the longitudinal waves. You must also understand waves properties like the wavelength, frequency, amplitude, and you must also be able to understand the concept of reflection, refraction, rarefaction and lenses, and also diffraction and interferences. Understand simple waves behavior in general. The fourth topic is electricity and magnetism. So you must understand Ohm's law, what Ohm's law is, knowing that voltage is equal to what? Currents directly proportional to what? Resistance. You must also learn how to calculate resistance. Understand? You must also learn how to calculate resistance. You must also learn how to calculate current. You must also learn how to calculate voltage. Then also you also have to learn about electric circuit, which is the series and the parallel circuit. You must also learn about electromagnetism. Now under electromagnetism, you must learn about the magnetic fields. You must learn about electromagnetic inductions and Faraday's law. So you must also learn about electromagnetic inductions and the Faraday's laws, which I just spoke about. Also, you have to learn about the AC, that is the alternating current, and also DC, which is the word direct current. You must understand their differences and their applications guiding each of them. The fifth topic is simple harmonic motion. So under the simple harmonic motion, you should be able to understand the examples of simple harmonic motions like the simple pendulum, the springs and the strings. You must also understand the equations of simple harmonic motion, that is the SHM. You must also understand the energy in SHM, their kinetic and potential energy variations during oscillations. The next topic you are supposed to understand is modern physics. So under modern physics, you are supposed to understand the structures of the atoms. Under the structures of the atoms, you have to understand what is isotopes, atomic and mass numbers. You also have to learn about photoelectric effects, understanding Einstein's equation, which is equal to what E, that is the Einstein equation is E is equal to HF. You also have to learn about radioactivity, which is learning about the alpha, the beta and the gamma radiation. You have to learn about them, know which one is knowing which the differences between all of them. Also have to learn about electromagnetic waves, which is the electromagnetic spectrum and the applications. And the last topic is learning about gravitation, which is simply Newton's law of gravitation, gravitational field and the potential field. So these are the 8 most common physics JAMB UTME topics that I have been able to cover from 2010 up to 2024, which was just last year. If you apply these most repeated topics, getting your JAMB syllabus, using your past questions and the JAMB recommended textbooks, you are sure of scoring up to 300 plus, 350 plus, and even to the lowest 250 plus. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this. And also don't forget to share this video to your friend so that they can come here, get value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue making videos like this. And also to show this video to a larger audience, please don't forget to hit on the like button, because when you hit on the like button, it's going to tell the YouTube algorithm that a lot of people are loving this video, and the algorithm will have to share this video to a larger audience. Until I see you in my next video, always remember that you are wonderful, always remember that you are unique, and always remember that you are a pace setter. I really love you.